What is up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing a bone collector from Lowe's. I got this thing for around $400, $499.99, and it's 12 foot tall. It's really big. It's really cool looking, and I'm just super excited to unbox it for you guys. That said, let's get into the video. This is literally the hand. That's it. This is just how big the hand is. And then this is a dead guy. And then this is the head. This is how big that, bro, it's literally almost as big as my torso. We actually had to take this outside to build it because our ceilings aren't tall enough. Pretty sure I know how to build this already. It looks pretty straightforward, but we're gonna see how far I get until I don't know. Okay, where's the knife?
Okay, shovel.
This is the shovel, so it stands like that, which is pretty cool. Those are the shovel pieces. They kind of look like drumsticks. This is the base plate. Be responsible with knives.
Ow.
Turn up.
Are you sure it came with another shoe?
It should have. Where's the instructions? Oh, okay. Here. Would have been there. All right. How many shoes does it come with? So, as we're taking the apart the animatronic, we realized that we're stupid. There's two shoes. They were inside of each other. All right, now we got that plugged in. We need an extension cord for this. Get in there. There we we go.
Fall it backwards.
Yeah.
You grab it all night.
Yeah.
Huh?
To hold it.
Try to like stick it down.
All right, so we have to put the clothes on now, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the clothes. Okay.
Okay, so this is the jacket.
And you put the head and the strap, then the head strap, and then that, and that, and that. Okay. Why is this stuff so heavy? We're supposed to put on the head next,
Yeah.
but
Why is your arm
Joey
like
has
that?
other ones.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. You will roam through the valley of death for all eternity. With all of us. Who dares enter the Master's abode? Your soul shall be vanquished to the deepest, darkest dungeon if you do not leave now. Roam through the valley of death for all eternity with all of us.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you do like this type of content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other type of Halloween content like this. With that said, scare you later.